What's up, everybody? It's your girl Yola here, back again for another good video. And you already know what time of the month it is, boo-boo. It is time for our January BoxyCharm unboxing. Yay! I don't have that, so I'm putting it in there right now for myself. How about that? Anyways, you already know, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that anytime and every time that I upload, you are the first to hit that good button, as well as share and like my video. Okay? We had this conversation every time. You be watching my videos, but you don't be liking them, and you don't be sharing them, and you don't be leaving no comment. Let your girl know that you exist. That's all I'm saying, me and you. Come together right now over me. Anyways, this month's BoxyCharm, I'm a little excited to see. I had a conversation about the December BoxyCharm just recently when I just did the unboxing of it. And I was thinking about whether or not I should go to the premium and then stop the Luxe. And then the premium came out this month and they had the Versailles drops in there. And I was like, think I'm gonna have to switch to the premium box. Anyways, so this month's BoxyCharm is breaking the ice. Okay. Into this good video, let's see what's in this good box. Hello, Charmers. All right, so y'all already know how we do it. I flip it the opposite way. Yeah, sometimes, but you really don't know what variation of the box that you're gonna get. So that's why I do it this way. So I'm gonna take this. What's this? Oh, I wanted this, and it came in the little mini. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Y'all know I love skincare, so you know I'm excited about this. This is the mini. It retails for $22. It says that the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleep mask that soothes and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiant boosting face mask formulated with amino acids, watermelon extract, and all of that good stuff, and reforms your pores, make it suck them in, and all that good stuff, girl. Okay. Let me open this. I just want to smell it. And I use Glow Recipe every day because I have the little pineapple serum, baby. I be up in here glowing. But do you see this little friend that decided he wanted to come and take place on my face? Like, who do you think that you are? Yeah. Anyways, the audacity. Is this it? Girl, I'm smelling the top. It's top. Ooh. Okay, let me take the top off. Oh, it's like, you know, light, refreshing smell of watermelon, which obviously I guess, but you know, sometimes it might stink. I don't know. But I already like Glow Recipe, so I'm really excited to try this and see how this works. So, thank you, BoxyCharm. Look, okay. Next. Okay, and then there's a big bottle of something. What's this? Okay, so we got this here. Skin and Aroma Truffle Therapy Face. Y'all with the truffle oil, baby. If y'all remember some videos back, I got my little truffle water. Okay, I still got a little bit left, little bit left. You know, little bougie products. This is $28. Let's see what it say. Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Y'all see face gommage? I don't know, friend. But anyways, it says that it's a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Let me see what it smells like. Look. Oh, I can't open it. All right, let's see. Oh, it does smell good. Okay. Let me see how it feels. Like it says it's a gentle exfoliator. Oh, that smells really good. Okay, it is gentle. It's like a little less rough than if anybody uses St. Ives still. I'm not going to sit here and say I don't use St. Ives sometimes. But like the, you know, the one that everybody tells you not to use, the apricot scrub, like it's not that rough. No, but like it kind of reminds me of that as far as the consistency on my hand and stuff like that. But it's not that rough, so don't think that. But again, that is $28, and I'm always happy when I get skincare. Yes, I love my makeup, and I'm happy that they give me the makeup products. But my skin has literally been flourishing so much. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to look youthful in my good 30s, honey. Okay. Anyway. Okay, so I'm going to take, what's this? A little lip. Okay, this says I don't know who this is. Mana Kadar Beauty. Okay, this is $21, a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection and long lasting. It says it won't dry your lips out, but anybody who knows anything about mattes, I have not run into a matte. Okay, besides what's it called? Colored Rain. I ain't gonna lie, they stuff is good, honey. How you open it? I don't smell like nothing. I don't want to put this on. I don't know who this is. I'm going to try it, but not right now. How about that? But anyway, this is the Mana London Little Lippy that I got in that BoxyCharm as well. So I'll try it, but I told y'all I'm really a lip gloss girl. I ain't going to lie, because these lips, okay. Don't, let me stop. Okay, so, I got the little Pretty Vulgar. I was unsure if I was going to be able to get this, honestly, but I did. But it's a Pretty Vulgar undercover concealer, and it's crazy because I literally ran out of concealer, and while I was in Vegas, I went and bought concealer, and I actually got my very first Jeffree Star concealer. Yay, I was so excited about it. It was on sale. Yeah, so I got another concealer. I'm not mad about that. Now I can have more. But this is $25, and it's a concealer, y'all. I don't know how they match my skin color because this definitely looks like it. Because this is my Morphe one. This is the one I use for like sculpting my eyebrows. And this is the Pretty Vulgar one. So it's somehow they knew what color I needed. Thanks. Look, that makes my life easier for real. Okay, BoxyCharm, come through. I don't know. This little box, this ain't all right. Let me see what else is in here. This is the last little product. Yep, this is the last little product. Okay. So, I'm a little sad. There was something that did come in the BoxyCharm that I really wanted, and that was the Too Faced like highlighter. I just wanted to try it. I think I told you last time I got a lippy lip gloss from Too Faced. I don't know why I got this Pretty Little Liars or something in my head, y'all. But from Too Faced, so I really wanted to try more of their products, but I didn't get that highlighter. I got this lip thing. We gonna see how this works. I'm not finna hate on them. We'll just, you know, when you want stuff and you don't get it, you be a little bit disappointed. Just un poquito, por favor. Anyways, but I did get this Ace Beauty palette, and this retails for $34.99. And it's Scarlet Dusk, honey. Okay, Scarlet Dusk. Okay, got a little, oh, okay. I ended up getting one of the ones that I wanted because I was like, I hope that I don't get one that has colors that I can't use. You know what I mean? But I ended up getting this one. So I always say that I love a good pink, and there's some nice neutrals in here. So there's definitely some really cute colors in here. We're going to get a good swatch. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And what did I say for $34.99? I guess we'll see. Let's see. This Aura one and this hibiscus right here, honey. Those are cute, honey. The little shimmers, this one and this one. Oh, we definitely gonna get a good swatch of that. Okay, try that and that one there. And then I'm also gonna swipe this crimson one right here too, because that's like it almost looks like a neon orange, but it's a very pretty color. Oh, that's really cute. And then let's try this one right here. This one called Pink Moon. I'm going to get that right on my pinky. Okay. So here we go. All of them. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Might have to see about this one, but I mean, I'm not the best watcher, and y'all can judge however harshly as you want to. Feelings ain't gonna be hurt. This little friend right here, anyways. But yes, look at that's nice. Oh yeah, that's cute. Ooh, I'm excited. I look forward to doing some looks with these colors. This is definitely a palette that is very interesting to me. I mean, and it kind of goes with my background. Oh. But that's all that I got in my BoxyCharm this month. And this is just the basic. You know, you get the Luxe every 3 months. The basic is $25 now. It used to be $21. So they went up a little bit on their price. And I think that they also added like state tax. And it depends on which state that you, you know, that you live in, what your state tax is going to be. But let me see about this color, you guys, because I don't even want to be shady like that. You know what I'm saying? What's the purpose of being shady? Like, let's give them a chance. So, let's see. This taste reminds me of like, I know what it reminds me of. Little kid, like lip balm. Like when you was like a little kid, like the kind that you had like Claire's. That's how it tastes. Like the, on my lips. I'm not lying. I'm not being funny about that. Like that right there. I don't like that. But it's drying down. It's definitely not drying. Can you see the color on me? It's like, what is this color called? It's called, it just say Lip Whip Dream. So let's assume that that's what it's, the color is called. I don't know. But that was my January BoxyCharm. Make sure that you are subscribed or that you follow me on Snapchat. My birthday is coming up in a couple of weeks. I want you guys to be able to follow and see me. This is not just personality on the tube. I'm always extra. It just is what it is. It's just who I am, honey. It just is who I am. I'm extra. I don't know what to tell you. It's about to be lit. That was a little rough. Anyways, but make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite part of this video was. But until next time, loves,